Hello and welcome to General Aviation Switzerland. I'm the owner of General Aviation Switzerland and I also own a few other channels. Maybe you saw the collaborations on YouTube. Sorry if I have a very bad English. It's it's not my strength with English, but I try to give the best and I hope you enjoy this vlog. Now I'm at SION airport and making a vlog because I'm so interested in tiny airports like SION airport, Bern, Bourgs, and also have a goal to go to St. Gallen airport. I travel today with the train 3.5 hours to here to spot around 5 hours or 6, then going home 3.5 hours, and maybe if I have enough power then I cut the video and also upload it tomorrow, or I stand up tomorrow and cutting the video in the morning. I will give you here a little view how I spot the planes at the airports and why at so tiny airports. This is the view at SION airport. I know it's backlit, but in my opinion for videos it's not so important like for pics. Why do I love to spot at such tiny airports like this? I'm more happier with the results and with the planes which arrives, because every little plane is like special to you, because you have to wait and you get rewarded to for the waiting, and then you accept more and more the planes which are coming in. And I also love to spot private jets. That's why I love these tiny airports. But how do I decide to which airport I go? When I wake up, then I go to flight radar and check what is what traffic is planned. But on this tiny airport I said before, it also gets unplanned planes which you don't see or don't know what it is. Like this Gulfstream I filmed before. This was not on flight radar because it's a private. It's but you can follow it on radar box and then you know, okay, it come here when it started from a wide distance. So what do I mean with a wide distance? So if it's a long range flight, then you can see it before you go to the airport. But if it's a short distance flight, then you don't know. This Gulfstream come out of London, and I also don't know that this is coming. There is also other traffic today, which I don't know that they will come. So it's very difficult to decide because the most airports don't have any or much of informations of this tiny maybe you're also asking why I don't use a tripod. I don't use tripod because I'm much better with a tripod, but I love to film aviation and I think it's good how it is. This is the camera I have to record the videos for the channels. It's a Nikon Coolpix P1100 and if you ask why I have so much of different channels, it's because I love to separate things. I also have the channel with only Planespotting, also with biggers. I have this channel here with the private jets because I really love private jets and special things. These come here. And Bern Airport. I'm a big fan of Bern Airport. Also Pilatus aircrafts. That's why I have. And for every aircraft I love, it's a Bombardier. At most Gulfstream and Pilatus. Then it's Bombardier. For this I have also separate channels. Maybe you know I will also make this video on this 4 other channels. Maybe you see here, this is the Pilatus PC12 Pro. Then here I have the NGX and the PC24 badge because I love Pilatus. Gulfstream I don't have, but and I also try to get the best for you for filming the videos and uploading, but sometimes I don't have enough videos or enough new videos. Then I do make reposts or cut the compilation with planes I uploaded before. Yes. So that's why I'm not every time have new videos for you. I hope it's not so it don't make you angry. And yes, I hope it's and something about my personality. Maybe you don't see. Maybe you can also write into the comments what you think, how old I am. And my dream to make this much spotting compilations is since I was 14 years old. That means since 8 years it's my dream to make this and travel to airports. And yes, I hope you love this video and you like it. And if you love my content, please subscribe. And here you have a PC12. So the spotting session is ended. Now I'm going home with the train. I'm waiting here for the train in SION. I have another 3.5 hours to go home.